Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to another workout. All you need is a little bit of space for today's core workout, and that's about it. No dumbbells, no equipment of any sort. 8 minutes, 4 minutes on, 1 minute off, 4 minutes on, so I guess 9 minutes total. Before we get going, however, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a big old thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. Alright guys, welcome back. Let's get down on the ground into the plank position. We'll get started in about 10 seconds. 1 minute intervals. Remember, we're doing a side to side plank, followed by a little mountain climber in the middle. Make sure you leave your forearms on the ground, and let's go. Side, side, mountain climber. Remember, we're repeating this for 1 minute. Side, side, mountain climber. We have 4 exercises. Done back to back to back, and then a little bit of break. Sorry, this is hard, it's difficult to speak. Get that hip on the ground, and give me a mountain climber. 20 seconds left. Just a 5-second break in between the exercise, just enough for a quick transition. Oh yeah, it's even harder when you're not very flexible. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Flip it around. Circles. 30 seconds in one direction, 30 seconds in the other direction. Welcome to Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I take you through workouts, my home HIIT core workouts every Monday and every Thursday. For over 4 years running now. This is becoming fairly difficult. Like I said, they're my workouts, so they're difficult for me. Let's switch directions. 30 seconds in the other direction. Keep it up. Circle and circle. Try not to have those feet hit the ground. About 10 seconds left. Three, 2, 1, and you got 5 seconds of relaxing time. Whew. All right, now we're going to do sit-up. So basically just want to do this and under, clap under, all right? There we go, and under. Keep going, 30 seconds left. Like I said, I always say, if I'm struggling, it's because it's difficult. Come on. Three seconds. Last one, and that's it, all right? Now we're gonna flip over into a plank position, the push-up plank position, and just gonna bring your knees out. Nice and easy, out and back, in control, out and back. Control it. $20 seconds left. Keep it up. Less than 10. 2, 1, and that's it. Woo. We get a 60-second reprieve. And then we go through it one more time. They'll make it for a grand total 9-minute workout. So the thumbnail might be a little bit of a lie. It might say 8. Maybe I'll say 9. I'm not sure yet. Whew, 40 seconds left. Stand up a little bit. It's easier to recover when you stand up than laying down. I know everybody wants to lay down, catch their breath. It's easier to stand up. The heart works a little bit harder, pumping the blood through. So you actually pump more blood through, brings more oxygen. You recover a little bit quicker. All right, we're back to the top in 20 seconds. Side to side, climber in the middle. Side, side, climb. Remember, we're starting in 15 seconds, guys. Let's get down on the ground. Come on, work with me. I'm going to do the best that I can to get through this. This is not easy, especially the first 2 exercises. Well, the first 3. I know, all of them. Let's get going. Forearms on the ground. Side, side, mountain climber. Beautiful, keep it up. Nice and good pace. Remember, it's not a race. Control the movement. The more you control the movement, the stronger you get. My right hip is not cooperating today very well, so it's kind of difficult to go down to the side on that side. I only see how limited my movement is once I watch the video myself. Less than 10 seconds. Keep it up. Last one. And give me a mountain climber. All right, flip over. We're doing circles. 30 seconds one direction, 30 seconds in the other direction. Let's go. Keep it up, keep it up. This is not an easy one for me. Switch directions. Oh boy, 15 seconds left. Come on, Paul. Come on with me, guys. Don't let those legs drop. Come on, keep it up. Stay here. 5 seconds, we got this. 3, 2, 1. Woo. All right, here we go for the sit-up. That was not easy. Ready? Let's go. Sit up and back. Up, back. Bring those knees up. Clap that hand under. Clap, clap. There we go. One clap is enough, however. Keep it up. 40 seconds left. Keep sitting up, working with me. $30 now. Beautiful. Ten seconds. Stay here. Pound. Let's go. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Last one. Flip over. And here we go. 1 minute. Nice and easy. Control. Give me as good of a plank as you can. Keep that core tight. We got left 30 seconds, a little less. $15. Keep it here. Same pace.
Less than 10. We got this now. 2, 1, last one, and that's it. Whew. Nicely, comfortably out of breath. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50, guys. My name is Paul. One more time reminding you, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Make sure you come back at least on those days. Get a little bit of work in twice a week, and I'll see you guys during your next workout.